Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use a PS4 controller on your Samsung TV. First, ensure your PlayStation 4 controller is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the setup process. Next, put your controller into pairing mode. To do this, simultaneously press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button for about 3 seconds. You'll know it's ready when the light bar on the front of the controller begins to flash rapidly, indicating it's actively searching for a device to connect with. Now that your controller is ready, let's prepare your Samsung TV. Grab your TV remote and navigate to the main settings menu. From there, scroll down and select the General option. Within the General settings, you'll find External Device Manager. Click on this, and then proceed to Input Device Manager. Finally, select Bluetooth Device List to open the menu where you can add new Bluetooth devices. This is where your TV will look for your controller. With both devices ready, it's time to connect them. On your TV screen, you should now see your PlayStation 4 controller appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Select it to initiate the pairing process. Your TV might ask for confirmation. Simply accept the request. Once successfully paired, the light bar on your PS4 controller will stop flashing and turn a solid blue color, indicating a stable connection. This usually takes only a few seconds. Congratulations, your controller is now connected. You can test its functionality with compatible games or applications on your Samsung TV. If you encounter any connection issues, don't worry. A simple restart of both your PlayStation 4 controller and your television can often resolve minor glitches. Also, ensure there are no other active Bluetooth devices within a range of about 30 feet that might interfere with the signal. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.